Hello dear students, once again welcome to our channel Concept Corner. In this video, I am going to solve class 9 chapter 7 triangle theorem 7.3. Theorem 7.2 was done in the last video and theorem 7.3 is opposite to the theorem 7.2. So let's start theorem 7.3. The sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. The sides opposite to equal angles. Suppose this is one triangle ABC. ABC is a triangle. In this triangle, angle B and angle C are equal. We need to prove that opposite sides of the equal angles are equal. That means this side AB and side AC are equal. We have to prove this one. So what are given? We will write first. Since we have taken the triangle as our wish, so we will write let in triangle, let ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle in which AB equal, in which angle B equal angle C. Equal angles are given. We need to prove that these two sides are equal. To prove what we need to prove? Opposite side of angle B, opposite side of angle B is AC and opposite side of angle C is AB. So we need to prove AC equal AB or AB equal AC. So for this we will proceed as the previous theorem was done. So how we did that one? We have constructed an angle bisector of angle A. So we construct a bisector of angle A. Suppose it intersects the side BC at D. Construction bisector of angle A is drawn which intersect BC at D. So AD is the bisector of angle A which intersect the side BC at point D. So now we'll prove. This is the construction. Prove so we need to prove that these two sides are equal and given that angles are equal, angle B and angle C. So in which two triangles these sides are present? In triangle ABD and in triangle ACD. So we will first prove that these two triangles are congruent. If we can show them congruent, then we can say that these two sides are equal, because corresponding parts of two congruent triangles are always equal. So in triangle ABC, ABD and triangle ACB, ACD. So what are the equal parts given? We have angle B equal angle C. It is already said in the theorem. Angle B is equal to angle C. Given, that means then angle this one and this one, that means BAB and CAD are equal. Why? Because AD is bisector. We have constructed angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. Why? since AD is bisector, AD is bisector of angle F. So BAD and CAD are equal. Again see, the side AB is present in this triangle also, and side AD is present in ACD also. So that means AD is the common side of both the triangles. So AD is equal to AD, common side. Common side. So now see, we know if the three corresponding parts of two triangles are equal, then the two triangles become congruent. So here we have got three corresponding parts equal. Angle B is equal to angle C. Angle BAD, this one is equal to angle CAD, this one, and AD is common side. So we can write triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CAD, ACD. By what criteria? We have angle side or side angle side. Since they are congruent, now we can say that these two sides are equal because AB is the corresponding part of AC. Therefore, AB is equal to AC. What? Corresponding parts of congruent triangle. So this is the solution of theorem 7.2. So next we will go to the exercise 7.2 and see the question number 1. Exercise 7.2. Question number 1. What is given? In an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equal AC, the bisector of angle B and C intersect each other at O. Join A to O, show that OB is equal to OC and AO bisect A. That means ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC. What is isosceles triangle? In which two sides are equal. And in this isosceles triangle given, AB is equal to AC. Again it is said the bisector of B. Suppose this is the bisector of B and bisector of C intersect at O. This is the bisector of C. They meet at the two bisector of the two angles meet at point O. Then join A to O. Join A to O. AO is joined. Now we have to prove OB is equal to OC. This OB is equal to OC. We need to prove this one. Also, we need to prove that AO bisect angle A. AO, that means this side bisect the whole angle. We need to prove these two parts. So what are given in the question, right? First of all, given in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. It is given bisector, the bisectors of angle B and angle C meet at O. Then AO is joined. Given in the question, we need to prove what? To prove there are two questions. One is that we need to prove the side OB is equal to OC. OB is equal to OC. And number 2, AO is the bisector of angle A. That means these two angles are equal. Or we can write AO is the bisector of angle A. AO is the bisector of angle A. These two things we need to prove here. So here no construction is needed. Proof. So you will write this thing by pausing the videos. I am writing here. Proof. In question, we will start from what is given. From that point, we will start the solution. In question, first of all, we are given that the side AB and side AC are equal. Given AB is equal to AC. It is given in the question. So since AB is equal to AC, that means these two sides are equal, then their opposite angles will be equal. In the earlier theorem, we got it that the angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. So AB is equal to AC, that means opposite angle of AB is angle C. That means ACB, and opposite angle of AC is angle B. That means ABC whole angle. So we can write opposite angle of AB means ACB. ACB is equal to opposite angle of AC means ABC. What? Why they are equal? Angles opposite to equal sides are angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So since they are equal, we need to prove these two parts are equal. So if somehow we can show them these two angles are equal, then we can prove that these two sides are equal. So how we will make it? If we take ACB means what? ACB means we can write either twice of OBC, because OB is the bisector of angle B, it is given. Or if we take half both sides, taking half both sides, if we take half ACB, here half of ABC. So here half of ABC, that means these whole angles. We can write either ABO or OBC. Since we need these two sides, so if we write angle OBC, then it will be easier for us. So write half of ACB means half of ACB. This means half of this whole angle. We can write OBC. Here we can write OBC. And half of ABC means half of ACB. Sorry, half of ACB means half of ACB. We can write OCB. OCB. And here half of ABC means OBC. OBC. Why they are equal? Because OB and OC are the bisectors. You can write there, since OB and OC are bisectors. So now see, OCB angle and OBC angle are equal, and these two angles, this angle and this angle, both the angles are present in this triangle OBC, and the angles are equal. When two angles are equal in the same triangle, then the opposite side of those angles are equal. Theorem 7.3, we have just proved that sides opposite to the equal angles are equal. So since OCB angle is equal to OBC, that means opposite side of OCB is OB and opposite side of OBC is OC. So we can write, therefore OB is equal to OC. What? Sides opposite to opposite to equal angles are equal. So this is the proof of number 1. Next we'll proceed to number 2. So you will pause the video and you will write the solution here. I am going to number 2. Number 2 is that we need to prove that OA is the bisector of angle A. That means this angle and this angle we need to prove equal. So for that we have to take these two triangles. If we can show them congruent, then the angle will be equal corresponding parts. So number 2, in triangle ABO, triangle ABO and triangle ACO, in these two triangles what parts are equal? See, OB is equal to OC, just we have proved this one. OB is equal to, again AB is equal to AC, it is given. First of all, I'll write this one. AB is equal to AC, it is given. Then OB is equal to OC, OB is equal to OC. What? Just proof, right? Again, this side is common side, OA is common side. You can take either this side also or you can take this angle also equal. Since we have not yet proved this congruency, so we will take this angle. Angle this one is will be equal to angle this one, because these are the half of the angles of B and C. So angle ABO will be equal to angle ACO. Why they are equal? If we take half of angle ABC as previous one, then we will get this angle. Here we can get this angle, and half of angle ACB is angle C. So we can write this one. Here you can write, since OB and OC are bisectors, OC are bisectors and angle B is equal to angle C. You can prove it by taking this side also, AO, then we can prove it by side. It will be easier, but we have not yet proved that. This criteria is not proved yet, so I have taken this one. So therefore triangle ABO is congruent to triangle ACO. What? By what criteria? Side angle side angle side. Therefore we can write BAO equal CAO. Since these two angles are equal, that means O is the bisector. Therefore OA is the bisector of angle A. This one is the proof of the second part. Or if you want to prove that I will take this side, then you can prove, no problem. So for today this much. We will discuss the next questions in the next video. Question number 2 of exercise 7.2 is homework for you. You will solve this and you will put in the comment box, and or you can, if you have any doubt regarding the chapter, you can send the if you have any question, then you can send it to my WhatsApp number 9577 181 004. If you have any queries regarding the chapter or solution, or if you have questions, any questions from this chapter which you are getting confused, then you can send it to the WhatsApp number. So for today this much. Don't forget to share, subscribe and like our videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.